Hello my friend, thank you for being here and I hope you are having a wonderful time. Here I am with this Mercedes 2012 E550. So what am I gonna do right on this Mercedes? Well, I'm going to be working on the headliner on the passenger side, and nothing is wrong with the driver's side. As you see, there's a plastic dust stream. Well, one of those streams have been disconnected from the passenger side, and you know, if you are working on this kind of car, if you are an expert doing this kind of job, you know those strings are very important to be placing right. Why? Because if you open or you close the convertible tab, you can rip the headliner easily. So even if you're going to check it, you have to be careful when you open and close. If one of those strings it is disconnected. So I'm going to work on this headliner. But before, let me tell you that this video has been on my channel for a long time ago. It was in Spanish, but I was dealing with copyright. This video had music on it, so I had two options. The first one, delete this video, and the second one, re-edit. And I decided that option number 2, re-edit. So, and to if you are going to work on, it's not necessarily Mercedes, because there are a lot of new car that the headliner is holding with the stream with plastic, and you have to be careful. That is the part of the headliner that is disconnected, and I am going to connect it. I am going to put it back. That stream should go right there in the back. There in the back is a plastic with the hole in the middle, the small hole. You have to put that string through that plastic. How? I will, if you have been working on convertible tab, you know that it's so important to make sure the convertible tab open and close perfectly. It is so important to check it in front. If the customer is there, when the customer is there, check it. Make sure it's working. But if the headliner have some stream that is not connected or are disconnected, you have to be careful when you check it. Be careful, because you might end up ruining, ripping the headliner. So I am checking, because I am 100% sure that that string that is disconnected is not going to affect when I open and close the convertible tab. On that string only. There is some string on the other side that if you try to open and close, you will rip the headliner. So be careful. This string, you just have to put it back to that plastic, and I will show you right now where that string will go right there. I don't know if you can see that plastic in there. It is hard, that plastic in there. Can you see that plastic? That plastic is like a hood, and it have a hole. You have to put that string to that hole. If you see the plastic that is broken, it's not going to work. You have to buy that plastic and put them on there, and then put the string inside. So I am going to put this. Something else that I want you to pay close attention. You see that string is behind that bar. Don't put him in front. It has to go behind. And right now you see that string that I have it on my left hand. I am pulling that string. You see now? It is inside that hole. You can see it right there. And you see that red arrow? There is the string. So when you put them inside, you have to bring it. And here's one more thing that I want you to pay attention. You see that string is outside the bar. If you put him inside, it's not going to work. So you have to go behind. And now you have to connect that string to that plastic. Why that string come out from that plastic? Well, maybe when they put it, they didn't put it all the way in. By going to put it all the way in, you have to force a little bit that plastic. You see that string have like loops in there? Well, that loops, you have to get in there. Force it a little bit, just be careful. This plastic, it is strong, but don't force it too much. So you have to go inside there. You see the other side? So this side should be like the driver's side. and I use a tiny flat screwdriver. I make sure that string go inside, and that is inside. You have to make sure it's moving. See, it's moving. Okay, perfect. That's all what I want. Now the string is in. Now you have to check it. Make sure it's working right. When you open and close the convertible tab, go slow. Don't go too fast. Going to close it. Perfect. Then I'm going to open it. See? That issue has been resolved. That's simple. Both sides are equal. Nothing was wrong with the string. None of those plastic were broken. Just the string disconnected. The convertible tab is closing all the way. Nothing happened. And I close it. Let's see if it have that string come out. No, it didn't come out. So that means the issue has been resolved and it's working fine. So both sides are equal. Mercedes, BMW, there are a lot of cars. Even Volkswagen have a lot of stream. I can't believe how many streams had the Volkswagen Beetle. A lot. Sometimes you had the old headliner and you remove it and you can see how all those streams are connected to each other. But sometimes you don't have the headliner and you have to figure out how you have to connect it. Sometimes they send you like a diagram and sometimes they don't. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.